Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and there are a number of super bullish sounding XRP articles in the world of crypto media today. Try out this headline for size. Prominent crypto strategist goes viral, says Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP poised for epic rally that will put 2017 to shame. Then you've got this article. This is actually from a Bitcoin website, and the headline doesn't really tell at all. It's a little bit more of a tepid-sounding title. The headline is, "It's now or never for XRP as technicals indicate pivotal price action." And again, it's a Bitcoin website, so you see, it doesn't matter what the headline says. You're like, okay, so where's the part where they just crap all over XRP? But when you get to the end of it, you end up seeing that they think that XRP could go on a, quote, shocking rally. So how about that? Lots to talk about in this video, but before we go any further, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, if you would please ever so delicately tap that like button, but don't get all smashy with it. If you hit the like button too hard and you break the damn thing, you are financially responsible for that. You will have a hefty repair bill. I know, tough love, but that's how we roll on the Moon Lambo channel here. And also, go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel if you've not done so. If you do, you will have never-ending happiness. That's pretty appealing, right? You should go ahead and do it. Shout out to Poochie for sending this first piece my way. And this is the one from Daily Hodl, again, titled "Prominent Crypto Strategist Goes Viral." Says Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP poised for epic rally that will put 2017 to shame. So who is the individual in question? Well, some of you, I'm sure, will be familiar. Prominent crypto analyst and influencer Crypto Bitlord says Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are on the verge of a rally that will put the 2017 bull market to shame. Now, by the way, Crypto Bitlord, this is the guy that, when did this go viral? He had another viral thing. Crypto media went nuts with it. I think he actually started a change.org petition to get Ripple to stop dumping their XRP, and he was claiming that Ripple selling XRP was the reason that the price wasn't looking so hot, and he firmly believed, apparently, that it was it's price suppression on the part of Ripple, which is completely nonsensical. And I don't feel like tearing this concept to shreds again in this video, but suffice it to say, it's simply not true. But now he's thinking that there's quite an opportunity for XRP to increase in price. So in a tweet storm, Crypto Bitlord tells his 120,000 Twitter followers he believes it's only a matter of time before Bitcoin takes out a psychological resistance of $10,000 en route to its ascent to a new all-time high. And here's a quote from him. "This isn't a 2017 style pump starting. It's a 2020 galactic pump made possible with more people and more money. After you zoom out on this pump years from now, you'll see 2017 was just an effing test. It's happening. $11,000 coming within 4 weeks, probably less than 2. After consolidation, Bitcoin will begin the all-time high climb." Well, that's bullish, and there's a timeline associated with it, so we can kind of track this in the next several weeks. Is that going to happen? The crypto firebrand is also bullish on Ethereum and expects the second largest cryptocurrency to double its value by next month. And he stated, quote, "The next monthly candle for Ethereum should take us near $500. In addition, check this out now. The crypto strategist thinks that XRP, a coin that has caught the ire of many investors as it continues to languish in bear territory, will shock naysayers and leave disbelievers in the dust." That sounds so dramatic, doesn't it? All right, crypto media outlets. Here's the quote. "XRP is on the edge of a vertical style pump. Come back to this tweet in a few days and ask yourself, why didn't I buy?" Well, I'm not going to ask myself that because I've been buying regularly for years. Literally. When this thing takes off, I will have no regrets, right? I've had ample time. But Crypto Bitlord is known for his sharp critique of the San Francisco payment startup Ripple. In August of last year, he launched a petition urging the San Francisco startup to stop selling its XRP holdings, which is what I already mentioned there earlier in the piece. So we'll see. Do you think that he's right about the timing of this? Because look, I don't offer financial advice. I don't have a financial background. Don't buy or sell because of me. But I am happy to share my opinions, and I certainly believe, eventually, not going to put a timestamp on it, there will be another notable parabolic rally, price rally for XRP and certainly the entire crypto asset class as well. And maybe it won't look exactly like 2017, just because some of these projects, I mean, clearly scams. You're not going through the ICO craziness of 2017, so maybe it looks a little bit different. But I think all sorts of cryptocurrencies are going to be pumping like crazy because there's no indication that humans have figured out what's going on with this technology and will behave any different. So we'll see. So what about this next piece from newsbtc.com, which ended up being, ultimately, the conclusion sounded positive in the end. This one is titled, again, "It's Now or Never for XRP as Technicals Indicate Pivotal Price Action." So whatever that means, it's now or never, so if XRP price doesn't go up, then it's literally impossible. That makes some damn sense. No, it does not. XRP, the fourth-ranked cryptocurrency in the space, has been among the industry's worst performers. Yet investors in the asset still hold out hope for a repeat of the massive pumps Ripple is known for. No, Ripple is not known for that. XRP is known for that. Jesus Christ. XRP. Not the same thing as Ripple. Key indicators reveal that the asset has reached a pivotal moment where a decision must be made. It's now or never for XRP, but how will the altcoin respond? And then they have this subheading, "Is Ripple finally ready for redemption?" It's XRP, dummy. It's not Ripple. Come on, man. What do you expect from a Bitcoin website, though? I mean, really. Few cryptocurrencies are as polarizing as XRP. Now, that's true, but that's because of the Bitcoin people, not because of anybody in the XRP community. Crypto investors either love the asset or love to hate it. It's the butt of many jokes, the worst performing altcoin the last couple years running, and has been compared to sheep manure. As far as it being the worst performing, I don't know that that's technically true. There are over 5,000 cryptocurrencies out there, and XRP's managed to hold its position in terms of market cap ranking outside of course, Tether printing over 5 billion new coins just out of thin air, resulting in its market cap more than doubling, which is stupid. So it's not like it's the fault of XRP that it moved from 3 to 4 in terms of market cap position. But given it's the fact it stayed there, I would love to see the data that XRP was literally the worst performing out of all cryptos over the last couple years. Now, Ripple execs notoriously sell down rallies, which has helped keep the altcoin locked in a downtrend for nearly 3 full years. Now, that's complete BS. There's no way that there's enough XRP being sold to do that. And also, in terms of dollars and percent, the amount of Bitcoin that's mined is greater than what has been sold by Ripple and executives. So it's completely a completely bogus argument. And then it goes on to cite this. It even lost its third rank by market cap to a stable coin in recent weeks. Of course, again, like I said, it's just Tether's always worth $1, right? So if you can print as much, if you just infinitely print it, and it could have a market cap greater than Bitcoin. Okay, today, this is stupid. It doesn't mean anything. Anyway, but then the piece continues. But downtrend resistance has been broken through on both USD and BTC trading pairs, yet XRP has barely reacted. Looking more closely at the long-term price charts of the asset reveals that indicators are primed for a major move. After a breakout of downtrend resistance, bullish chart formations and indicators are backing up a potential explosion. How will Ripple react in the days ahead? Okay, again, you're clearly mean XRP, not Ripple. I feel like I should correct this piece and then send it back to them. Right? Can I do that like I'm a teacher correcting a paper with a red pen? There's no denying that XRP has come to a now or never moment. See, that's just a hyperbolic sentence. That's nonsense. The conclusion of tight consolidation is due. Technical analysis indicators are suggesting. Coinciding with powerful signals from a variety of popular trading tools is a breakout from downtrend resistance. The downtrend resistance acts as the top trend line to a massive multi-year falling wedge pattern. The falling wedge pattern is a cookie-cutter fractal of the previous cycle, only larger by comparison. And due to the pattern's larger size, the resulting breakout could be that much more significant. You can take a little chart on the screen there. Pointing to a potential breakout to the upside is the weekly MACD. The last time the MACD turned bullish on the histogram on weekly timeframes, all bets were off for the bears. XRP rallied over 3,000% in less than 60 days following the change in momentum, which is why people think that there may be something to this, obviously. Further backing up the idea of a breakout to the upside is a massive bullish divergence across the relative strength index. This indicator also matches the same sort of pattern pre-breakout the last time around. Yet another indicator, the Bollinger Bands, shows just one line of defense separating XRP from another incredible surge. The mid-BB, so Bollinger Bands. The middle line of the Bollinger Bands is a simple moving average, and each band is a standard deviation of those bands. So in the chart above, on your screen right now, prior to XRP claiming the middle line, months of the band squeezing can be seen ahead of the powerful explosion. The same thing is happening once again, and the asset is just below the middle line on the Bitcoin trading pair. If the asset, check this out, so here's how they wrap up. If the asset can reclaim the line and hold it, it's the only remaining step before XRP potentially goes on a shocking rally. Well, I would not hate that. I know what I hate, and I definitely would not hate that. So, although they did what they did, they do what Bitcoin websites do. They made sure in the beginning, even though there's a positive conclusion, they made sure to put all sorts of negative-sounding things about XRP in this piece leading up to the positive conclusion. What a fun narrative, Mr. Bitcoin Maxi Writer. And so there we are. That is it for this video, though. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!